The Project Management Resource Network helps you lead projects and provides you with the essential tips and tools for optimal performance. Today we'll discuss ownership. Project management is about getting things done on time, in scope, and under budget. The word things means activities. Activities, commonly referred to as tasks, are different actions needed to complete the project work. The project work is completed if someone takes ownership. Ownership is about accepting responsibility and accountability. Project schedules are made up of activities, start dates, end dates, duration, and owners. When the project falls behind schedule, the overdue activities are typically highlighted or pointed out, and next to each task has the associated owner. Everyone sees the name of the person responsible and accountable for the overdue activity. The opposite is also true. Everyone sees when activities are completed along with the name of the owner who is responsible for the completed task. Companies and organizations usually have different criteria in which tasks are assigned ownership, but one common standard criteria across enterprises is stakeholders' willingness or acceptance to own activities. With expected attention brought to both completed and overdue activities, projects tend to have stakeholders who want to own too many tasks. On the opposite end, projects tend to have stakeholders who don't want to own any tasks. Everything in between is where the remaining stakeholders fall. Stakeholders who want ownership of almost everything might be controlling, or perhaps these stakeholders don't understand how to use the word no. Whatever the reason, stakeholders who have ownership of too many activities are hurting more than helping the project. Anytime the workload outweighs what one person can reasonably handle, then the project suffers. Ownership of everything is acceptable for small and simple projects, but the larger and complex a project becomes, the increasing need to distribute the project work and ownership. Problems also occur for those projects with stakeholders who don't want ownership of tasks. If stakeholders who should own activities are not getting involved and taking responsibility, then the project work will either not be completed or not completed with the same efficiency. Ownership of activities does not mean the owner is the subject matter expert. Tasks can be assigned to individuals who have oversight of the activity to ensure the work is completed, but the work could be performed by a subject matter expert. The owner meets with the expert and provides guidance and coordination, but the actual work is completed by the expert. The ownership of the task is assigned to the person giving oversight. The oversight could be a supervisor or a team leader. The expert nature of the task can only be done by the subject matter expert, but the ownership of the activity could be assigned to someone else. Project managers are ultimately responsible for all project work and assigning individual tasks. Project managers should always consider the importance of assigning ownership of tasks, because the first step in completing any project activity is choosing the right owner who will be responsible and accountable. Project Management Resource Network. Resources for project management beginners, the occasional project manager, and certified professionals. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, go to pmresourcenetwork.com.